Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you the most frequent error which I encountered while starting the MS SQL Server in SQL Server Management Studio. So here this is a snapshot of the error which I used to get it, and trust me guys, I have uninstalled this MS SQL Server Studio maybe 5 to 7 times and again install, and it works smoothly. Once I restart it, I usually get this kind of error. So I found the troubleshoot, and I will like to share with you how you can also overcome this kind of error. So let us go to the solution. Okay, so if you get kind of this error called a network related or instant specific error occurs while establishing a connection to SQL Server. So understand that in the backend your SQL Server is not running and it is not connected to SQL Server Management Studio, even though here you can see this server name is mentioned. So in this case, what you can do, you can just you can just cancel these things. Okay, close down these things, and you need to go to these services. Okay, so in this Windows 10 or 11, you can just write services. So here one services app will open up. Okay, so basically this will show which are the services which is happening, and these are registered in your system. So for me, MS SQL Server is important, so I will go to the SQL Server app. Okay, so here it is a SQL Server app, and here you can see the status is not showing, so that means it is not working. So what I will do, I will right click on this case and will start it. So simply this SQL Server will start and will start getting work in your SQL Server Management Studio. However, if you want to get some other tools like within the SQL Server Agent Analysis Service, or maybe browser or something, so simply you write do a double click, or you can just do right click and hit the start button. So in this case, my scenario was I was unable to start the data engine in SQL Server. Simply I couldn't connect it, so I have started this SQL Server in the back end using the service app. And second thing is, you need to just cross verify the SQL Server Management 15.msc. This 15 is nothing but the version of this SQL Server Studios, SQL Server, MS SQL Server. Okay, then just hit OK. So here you will get the SQL Server network configuration. Okay, so here you should be aware that this TICP should be enabled. Okay, so it will it what it will do, it will just enable your system when you do the rebooting system. Okay, so I have made it both enable, so now it should work in my system. Okay, so I will just minimize it and we'll try to connect database engine using SQL Server. So this got connected, right? So this seems very simple, but it is very critical, guys. Please trust me, this is very critical, because no, it is very hard how to fix this kind of error. But I have shown you the simple two tricks to overcome this kind of error. If you have any other solution, feel free to post in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video.